Good afternoon. Welcome to Daily Currency Update from the Currency Desk. On Friday, we had a stronger dollar ruling over the markets, and based on this, we had an upside close for the USD INR at 51.881. On Friday, we had the CPI data which came in slightly better than expected, but compared to this, the crucial WPI data came in worse than expected today. Though it was slightly worse than expected, but still it could have a decisive impact on the RBI rate cut decisions. Inflation always plays a key role on the RBI's rate cut decisions. So the lower the inflation, the greater room for rate cut. Also, we had the India's trade deficit data, wherein it widened to a 11-month high of almost approximately $18 billion. What one needs to keep into perspective here is that if we witness the rupee appreciating to a greater extent, that is going up till 50 levels or maybe even below 50 levels, then it could be a huge threat for India's exports, as the exports are already suffering from the fact that major Western economies are under trouble and the demand from them is continuously slowing down. And at the same time, our imports are continuously becoming costlier due to the fact that our major imports like crude oil are going to stay at a higher price level continuously due to the stimulus measures undertaken by various central banks around the world, and also due to the uncertainty in the Gulf region. All in all, we might see some strength developing in the rupee against the US dollar. This is mainly based on the fact that we had a China trade surplus which increased surprisingly, and also in the morning we had a Chinese CPI data which came in at 1.9 levels, which was much better than what was expected. But yes, on the support side for the US dollar, we had the US consumer confidence data which came in much better than expected. So this might support the dollar against much of depreciation against the Indian rupee. Coming to the euro against the US dollar has remained sideways in the range of 1.29 to 1.30 levels. We have witnessed some appreciation in the value of euro not only against the US dollar but also against the Indian rupee on Friday. This was mainly based on the European industrial production data which showed a surprise improvement. But yes, at the same time the industrial output on the German front decreased. So all in all, it had a mixed result. On the European front, we are seeing some uncertainty as regards to if Spain would actually opt for a formal bailout package. But yes, after the Spanish downgrade by 2 notches on Thursday, many of the investors, many of the market experts are expecting that Spain will definitely opt for a formal bailout package. So this is one of the positive triggers expected in the euro. Overall, on the European front, we do not have any major data today. In terms of pound against the US dollar and against the Indian rupee, we are seeing somewhat sideways movement in the pound. We saw appreciation in the pound value above 1.6 levels against the USD, tracking the gains in the euro. Yes, this week we have a lot of economic data from the UK front, which range from retail sales to jobless data. But yes, one of the most important data from the UK front is the public borrowings data. This data is considered to be much crucial at current levels due to the concern raised by the borrowing rating agencies that if the UK borrowing increases to a greater level, its AAA ratings would be well under trouble. In terms of technical trend of pound against the Indian rupee, we expect a bullish trend to develop at current levels, but it would be safer if one could take in buy positions above 85.20 levels. In terms of euro against the Indian rupee, we are expecting further upside, so one can hold current long positions with a stop loss of 68.30 in the spot levels. In terms of dollar, again we are seeing a bullish trend develop, but then it is at a primary stage, so this trend would be confirmed above 53.20 levels. The Japanese yen is falling due to a continuous sets of bad economic data. We expect the pair to trade sideways, and if there is some strong data from the US front, we could see the US dollar rally against the Japanese yen. All in all, the Japanese yen seems to be bullish against Indian rupee as well. Currently, we recommend a hold on long positions for a target of 68.70 in the spot.